Many new adjusters enter the industry thinking they're fully prepared once they pass the licensing exam. But once you start handling claims, working with carriers, and managing real-world situations, you quickly realize there's a learning curve. Based on insights from training programs at AdjusterPro and industry feedback, there are consistent challenges that almost every new adjuster faces. I'm Josh Chin, and I'm going to talk about the 5 biggest struggles and how to beat them. Struggle 1, lack of real-world experience. One of the biggest challenges is going from theory to practice. You might understand policy language, but applying it to a real claim is a different skill. How to beat it. Look for training that includes real-world scenarios. Shadow experienced adjusters when it's possible, and start with the smaller or simpler claims to build your confidence up. Struggle 2, understanding policy language. Insurance policies can be dense and technical. New adjusters often struggle to interpret coverages correctly, especially under pressure. How to beat it. Break policies into sections like coverage, exclusions, conditions. Focus on how coverage applies, not just the definitions. Revisit training material regularly, please. It makes the world of difference. Struggle 3, time management and workload. Adjusters often juggle multiple claims at once, each with deadlines, documentation, communication requirements, the whole 9 yards, and it can get overwhelming fast. How to beat it. Use a consistent workflow for every claim. Prioritize based on urgency and complexity, and stay organized with notes and documentation. Struggle 4, communications with claimants. You're not just handling paperwork, you're dealing with real people, often during really stressful situations. And that can be one of the hardest parts of the job. Here's how to handle that. Set clear expectations early. Stay calm and professional. And focus on transparency and consistency. Struggle 5, confidence and decision making. New adjusters often second guess themselves. You might know the right answer, but you still hesitate to make the call. Here's how to beat that. Trust your training and guidelines. Document your reasoning and learn from feedback instead of fearing mistakes. The key thing is to understand this. These struggles are normal. In fact, most adjusters go through them early in their careers. It's just part of the learning process. Structured training and continued learning can significantly shorten that curve. If you're just getting started or thinking about becoming an adjuster, having the right training makes a big difference. So, check out AdjusterPro to see how programs can help you prepare not just for the exam, but for the real world job. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and consider hitting the notification button to stay up to date on all things insurance adjuster. Also, leave a comment below of the things you would like to see next. Until then, I'm Josh Chin, and I will see you in the next video.